Hey there, everybody. I hope you're having a good Monday. I wanted to sit and decorate my journal, my planner from last week using two of my favorite things, which is Leanne's planner stickers as well as her stickers. I wanted to show these things to you because Leanne has offered us a special deal at her Etsy store for 10% off our purchase. The code is Tammy, T-A-M-M-Y 10, and I'll put a link to Leanne's site in the description box below so you can go get you some planner goodies. I think we're all thinking about our 2021 planner, and I'll show you my 2021 planner for the first 6 months of 2021. Again, I'm doing an altered composition book. I love these composition books. I especially love that they have a sewn binding in them. And I think that that is really important. And as we get into the altered composition book that I'll be decorating today, you can see why I think that that is really, really important. I really do love these notebooks, and you can get them for like 50 cents at back to school sales. Let's look at Leanne's stickers because I do want to kind of pull out some things that I want to use today. I know that I will need her TV and chill because I'm watching some new things on TV. Of course, we have to have Mr. COVID because Mr. COVID is still around. I love the combination of her Life Band-Aids, sheet 1 and sheet 2, so I'll probably be using that today. I did want to show you what her actual planner stickers, days of the weeks, and dates look like. This is her Lusty Pumpkin collection, and I think the colors are just crazy wild, y'all. It's just so pretty what she does. These are her days of the week, so I'll be using these in my new planner. The thing that I really, really, really love about Leanne's stickers is that she sends you a sheet of color-matched labels when you purchase her planner packs, right? So she sends you this label sheet, and I think it's so clever and so cool because I'm constantly making mistakes in my planner, so having something like this sure is super neat. She did some spooky bottles around the holiday season, playful bats. I need paw prints because I gave Mia a bath. I gave Mia a bath this week. And here are her amazing stickers, you guys. These are her vinyl stickers. I do have one of these stickers on my tablet, but my tablet is in a drawer at the moment, so I can't show that to you. Look at that. Her pendulum sticker, her pendulum vinyl sticker is just so pretty. She did some really clever ghost pals, but I used those all up. Her emoji sampler. She even does washi strips, you guys. Energy centers. I love these. One of my particular favorites is all the moons. I love the little forest mushrooms. I think those are so cute. Her moon face stickers. These are magical cards. And I want to show these to you. And they have like a mermaid tail on them. They are just exquisite. This one has moons on it. Mermaid tail. Swirls, you know, life swirls. Leaves. Just her, she's an amazing, like, she can visualize things. And it's like, I just don't know how people do that. I really don't. I can barely draw like a tree that looks like I'm in first grade, you know. I love this one too, you guys. This is Quirky Mushrooms. I'll show this to you. Man, I had some funky mushrooms growing outside lately. And when they went away, they stank like everything. Oh my God. I think I'll take this one out because that kind of matches my color theme here. And then I thought we would do kind of just a little flip of the past month since we're kind of into a new month. Now, I did want to show you guys, now these are just her planner stickers, her days of the week. She did a belly band that I thought was so cute on her on her Patreon thank yous. I don't think Leanne sells these tabs, but I use them in my book. I use them in my planner. So she has a dusty teal here. And I really do like the way that she spelled out, in this collection, she spelled out the dates, 31st, 30th, 29th. I thought that was really cool. This is a Sunset Mermaid collection. You can just see those colors are just luscious. Look at that. That's a journal box. Now, in addition to like labels, you get things like this. I really love this. I think this would be like a really clever thing to put onto a card, you know, and make that into a journaling card. Dusty Rose. This is one of my big favorites. You can see that all through my planner, that I love her pastel glitter collection. And then you've just got these amazing labels, which I've kind of just put away because I've got two folders for Leanne. I've got the sticker folder and I have the planner folder. So there we go, you guys. Go over and get some Leanne stickers and make yourself happy. Use Tammy10 for 10% off your purchase. And I'll put all that info in the description box below. Let's just grab a glue stick and start putting some things in. We had a big week, and Chris and I both agreed that we were a bit tired. At the end of the week last week, Corey came to see us, and he spent his 34th birthday here. He and Chris went out and played golf on Friday. And then on Friday, Carolyn and I, his fiance, went to see, and I've got this right here, so I'll show it to you. We went to see Treasures of Ancient Egypt, Sunken Cities. It was spectacular. You know, if you really dig like the undersea exploration, if you dig the whole Egypt Greek thing, if you love that kind of aesthetic, then you will really love, you know, if this comes to a museum close to you, then please do check it out. You won't be disappointed. Love the history. And I love sharing that with my dear daughter-in-law to be, because she's very much a reader, and she, you know, really gravitated to the history. We also saw the Fabergé eggs. Now, the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts has, they have 5 Fabergé eggs, which is more Fabergé eggs. It says it's the largest collection of Fabergé eggs outside Russia. And to only have 5, I'm thinking, did I read that correctly? And then it's like, well, yeah, I did. I read it correctly. I've already put Mr. COVID in over here, week 37. So I'll just give you kind of like a sneak peek. What did I do with Mr. COVID? There he is. A little sneak peek to what we are going to look at for next week. I've already started laying things out for next week. So we'll just go ahead, and I don't think that's going to go away. Some people thought it was, but I'm not seeing that go away. Like I said, last week was really busy. We did a lot of yard work. We had a wood delivery this day, and that was really fun because we got to have a fire pit. Chris has made us this exquisite, we had a Mia bath right here, exquisite outdoor area to have a fire pit. He's made cornhole boards. It is just wonderful to sit out there, and he's got it all lit up, and it's just beautiful. It's very soothing for me to go out there and have a fire, and you know, maybe have an adult beverage and things like that. It really is like, it's our vacation. Christopher was put on Lyrica last week because he has now developed knots on his feet and is having a lot of trouble walking. This is a result of rheumatoid arthritis, so that was not. But this will, in about 4 weeks, he should see some results from this, trying to help him feel better from the rheumatoid arthritis knots on his feet. And they're called something else, but I can't remember what they're called right this moment. You can see that I've done quite a bit in this journal already, you know, in the decorating phase of it. This was a picture of a goat in a boat that my mom sent me. Cramerton enlisted an artist to paint the goat in a boat on the side of a building in Cramerton, North Carolina. The goat in a boat is a nod to Goat Island, which has become kind of a destination in Cramerton, which when you put the words destination and Cramerton in the same sentence, it just doesn't sound right. But you know what? It is right. Because my little hometown of Belmont is growing, and Cramerton was kind of like a little, another little small town. What the actual... I thought is really good to pair with Mr. COVID over here. And of course we had the election here, which has led to all kinds of, you know, divisiveness. You know, we just don't seem to be able to come together. And, you know, then there was like this conflict over the, not conflict, but, you know, confusion over the vote and all that. I'm not going to put any sort of word sticker right here. I just think that, you know, nationally we need a Band-Aid. We need to heal. We need some love. We need not consternation. We don't need to argue. We don't need to create divisiveness. You know, we all need to come together and love each other. Let's see, on Wednesday, I cleaned, you know, like all week, getting ready for the kids to come. I also did peanut butter cookies for Corey because he loves them. And then Thursday, the kids were here. We had a fire pit and grill, and we made peanut butter cookies, and Corey's favorite beer is Narragansett. So we just had a really delightful time. And even though it's not summer, I wanted to dive into Leanne's Summer Vibes die cut sticker pack and just get something festive, that kind of matches my theme over here. And what I kind of really love is this, because it's a heart and it's, you know, denotes love, and I really like it. And so I'm going to use that right there to denote a very special, wonderful evening with my fella. Now, we had a great time at the museum this day. We had an awesome time watching Chris play. We went to see him play. I tell you, he is such a, he's just an amazingly talented person, and it was absolutely delightful for me to see him play, because typically I don't go see him play because it just, you know, it's just weird. When I first met Chris, we were both in a band, and we decided that we'd not go see each other play because it's just like following somebody to work, and it's just odd. I also did clean sheets here, so we had some clean sheets for the kids, for us, for Mia. Got Mia a bath here. Let's see if there's anything else that I kind of see this space, and to me this space would be really great for some of Leanne's washi. So let me take that out. See, I just need a strip right here. And her moon sticker sheet washi strips. So we're going to take this and just finish up our spaces. And then we got everything all done. So let's just kind of take a look back at, because this is the planner that I'll be using again next year. Again, a composition book planner. And this is what I wanted to show you. This is kind of fallen out of the front. And I realized that if I showed you the, how this is sewn together right here, right? And then I realized, hold on a second and I'll find it. I realized that I can use stretchy string and actually add to these composition books. You know, kind of like you would a traveler's notebook, you know, when you slide it into its leather cover. So I might try and do some of that. I've got a list of things that I am working on that I want to incorporate into my 2021 journal. And I encourage you guys to kind of do the same thing if, you know, because 2021 will be here before we know it. And, you know, there's always like this, what do they call it, journal piece that you try to get to. I don't quite get that, but it's okay because I don't buy different planners. I just always use a composition book, and it's 50 cents. And, you know, you don't feel like you're going wrong with it, or you don't feel like you're going to mess it up. So you don't quite use it the way it's supposed to be used because it's 50 cents. And then I paint it, you know, and decorate it up and make it real pretty, just like a snazzy planner. But I ain't got no snazzy planner. It's got a plain planner. Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. I hope you have a great day. Please check out Leanne's awesome sticker shop. And I'll put a link in the description box below. Thanks, y'all. Bye.